guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Binance partners with Ukrainian supermarket chain to accept crypto through Pay wallet. Customers who use the Binance Pay wallet to pay for their orders will be eligible to enter a rewards program. Binance announced Friday that it has partnered with the Ukrainian supermarket chain Virus, saying it will enable cryptocurrency payments for grocery purchases through its Binance Pay wallet. The grocery store is one of the largest companies in Ukraine, with over 111 stores across 28 cities in the country. The company said that this partnership will allow its customers to access instant cryptocurrency payments and fast delivery in 9 cities in Ukraine, namely Kyiv, Dnipro, Kamensk, Kryvyi, Zaporizhia, Brovary, Nikopol, Vizhorod, and Pavlograd. The companies have also announced a reward fund promotion, where customers who order anything from the Faros delivery program worth over UAH 500 and pay with Binance Pay will be rewarded with UAH 100. A month ago, Ukrainian POS and crypto payments company called WhitePay rolled out a new program that enabled Ukrainians to purchase electronics and other products with cryptocurrency. In attendance at this year's Kyiv Tech Summit hosted on September 6 until 9 in Ukraine, Ethereum founder Vitalik shared that Ukraine could well become the next Web3 hub. He shared, "A country can become a Web3 hub if its citizens are actively interested in this technology and decide to make a major contribution to its development." Butterin added, "Ukraine has both the capabilities and the determination to do this, and wallets like MetaMask need to become more user-friendly. Most wallets feel like they were created for developers. That's becoming a bigger problem in terms of both practicality and security as crypto adoption increases." After Ethereum's long-awaited merge, it's an ideal time to think about how we can also improve smart contracts. Essentially, apps that run on blockchain smart contracts are a vital component of our Web3 applications, but interacting with them remains quite dangerous, especially for non-developers. Many of the incidents where users lost their crypto assets are caused by buggy or malicious smart contracts. As a Web3 app developer, this is a challenge I think about often, especially as waves of new users keep onboarding into various blockchain applications. To fully trust a smart contract, a consumer needs to know exactly what it's going to do when they make a transaction. Because unlike in the Web2 world, there is no customer support hotline to call and recover funds if something goes wrong, but currently it's nearly impossible to know if a smart contract is safe or trustworthy. One solution is to make wallets themselves smarter. For instance, what if wallets could tell us if a smart contract is safe to interact with? It's probably impossible to know that with 100% certainty, but wallets could at minimum aggregate and display a lot of the signals that developers already look for. This would make the process simpler and safer, especially for non-developers. Here's a deeper look at the advantage and disadvantage of smart contracts, why they seem like the Wild West now, and how we might improve the UX for using them. For developers, using a smart contract as the back end for their app has numerous potential. It also increases the potential for bugs and exploits. It's great that smart contracts can be created by developers without asking anybody for permission, but that can also expose users to considerable risk, we now have apps transacting hundreds of millions of dollars with no safety guarantees. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.